The previous video in this Using Olympus series was about image editing raw images in camera. Today's video is about image editing JPEG files in camera. Hi, I'm Peter Forsgård, an Olympus visionary from Helsinki, Finland. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to get noticed so you won't miss any Using Olympus or any other videos on my channel. My channel is all about helping you becoming a better photographer. I'm not going to go through all the basics of image editing in camera. It was covered in the previous video, so be sure to watch that video to find out more if editing in camera is totally a new thing for you. The options you have on the JPEG files are a little different from what you have for RAW files. Choose the JPEG edit from the pop-up menu. You can adjust the shadows, fix red eye, crop the image, change the aspect ratio, make it black and white or sepia, adjust the saturation, reduce the pixel amount, and use e-portrait. Okay, let's go through what those mean in practice. Shadow adjust is great for backlit photos to open up the shadows. On this example, the dark areas of the tunnel will be brightened up a bit. Red eye fix is for fixing red eyes, as you can imagine. Red eyes are caused by direct flashlight. Image cropping is handy if you want to make your composition a little tighter. With front and back dials you can choose the size of the crop. With the arrow pad you can choose which part of your image you will crop. Black and white and sepia are pretty self-explanatory. Adjusting the saturation you can make those colors pop up some more. If you want to reduce the pixel amount, there is a feature for that too. A-portrait mode will smoothen the skin. I tried this one on a selfie, but it could not detect my face. I don't know why. I have to look into this feature some more in the future. That's why there is no example on this one. When you are ready with the editing, press OK and the camera will process your images and store them as new JPEGs on your memory card. Images are ready to be transferred to your mobile phone, for example. The possibilities to edit images are the same in every newer Olympus body. I had a EM5 Mark II as an example. As you saw in these two videos about image editing in camera in Olympus is quite good. It is very useful sometimes. Thanks for watching and bye for now.